Hi guys, my name is Kristen. How are you doing? I hope you're doing amazing. Today we are going to make ramen because I recently got a ramen bowl, and ever since I got that ramen bowl, I've been craving ramen. So that's what we're going to be doing. I'm probably not gonna make it homemade though. I don't really know how to make cool looking ramen. It's probably just gonna be like from the packet thing. But anyway, enjoy the video. I guess this is also kind of like a tutorial in case you don't know how to make ramen from the packet. But yeah. Okay, not gonna lie, I'm using my iPhone right now to record, and I'm using the new cinematic mode just for funsies. But anyway, this is the kitchen. We've all been here before when I taught everyone how to make a really good grilled cheese. And the water is about to boil. Usually I would just microwave it, but I want to be fancy this time, you know, really get in the mood. I have these two noodle packet thingies. I'm usually not a beef person. I'm usually a chicken person, but this is the only ramen we really have right now, and I've never had this stuff before, so I'm scared to try this because I don't know what it will taste like, and I'm really hungry, and so I want it to taste good. So I'm probably just gonna use this stuff, but this stuff looks cool, doesn't it? I did end up trying the other ramen, and it was pretty good. Anyway, I'm not gonna read the instructions because I don't really feel like I need to. So we're just gonna plop it in there and see what happens. I mean, it's noodles. How hard can it be to cook noodles? It's been forever since I've made ramen, not gonna lie. I used to make it in the microwave. I would use one of those things that you use for vegetables, put it in there with some water, put it in there. I would drain out all the water too. So it was really kind of gross. I don't know what I was thinking, but yeah. See, this is without cinematic mode. Anyway, let's do a fast motion video for funsies. Okay, so the noodles are done, but my package just came of my overpriced curling iron. But I got it on sale, so it was a good sale, okay? Don't judge me. But the guy, the UPS guy, he was like, I need a signature. And I was like, okay, yeah, cool. So I went to go sign, and he's like, are you 21? And I'm like, no, but one of those packages are mine. And he's like, well, technically you're supposed to be over 21. And I'm like, it's fine. And he's like, yeah, okay, whatever. Hopefully he doesn't get fired because of me. It's fine though, it's fine. Okay, here we go. We're going to pour the noodles in the bowl, the cool bowl. I got this from a local artist at a local sell I was doing. I was actually also selling there, and because I do pottery, and so I was looking at the other pottery, and I was like, I need a ramen bowl because ramen bowls are literally my favorite. Like, ramen is my favorite, right? So why wouldn't I have a ramen bowl? It's really cool. Look at it. It's really cool. Anyway, I think I'm gonna wash it out and give it a quick little scrub first though, because it's been places. I'm back. I did a quick little cleaning. Let's finish doing the thing. I won't lie, I don't really like broth, so I didn't leave a lot of the juices in, just because, again, I don't really like broth. I actually also don't really know how to use chopsticks that well, so a guy taught me the other day, so I should know. Maybe? Is that? No, that's not right. Okay, it's really hot right now, so I'm gonna open up this package. You know, it's like a 2-in-1 video, a haul and a cooking video. It's kind of hard to open. Look how cute. It came with a cute little bag thingy, and then I got this, and then I got a coupon thingy, I guess, and then it's just like a card. That's actually really cute. Wow, it's really cool. like it. This is the storage pouch, which I desperately need a storage pouch because I feel like I've burned multiple things in my bag just by not using a storage pouch. I completely forgot how to use chopsticks, so I'm gonna try my best, but again, I don't know how to use them. I'm terribly bad at it. Actually, I'm gonna watch a tutorial real quick. Okay, I figured it out. I was doing it wrong. Okay, but now I need to get back into the position I was just in. The guy in the video had the same ramen I had. I did it. I fixed something up. Okay, good for me. Okay, let's try it now. That's pretty good. I usually don't like beef, and that's pretty good. I'm okay with it. I would like to say this is a successful mission. I successfully made ramen, and I am successfully using chopsticks. So I'm proud of myself. And then that has the little holders for my chopsticks. Very cute.